Hi, I'm Eddie the bartender with liquorexam.com and bartendertees.com to demonstrate how to make a fuzzy navel. Take your highball glass, or I call it a bucket glass, add it with add ice. Now this is just basically peach schnapps and orange juice. The fuzzy navel was created back in 1985, I believe, by a gentleman named Roy Foley. He was the founder of Bartender magazine. And they were launching the Kuiper peach schnapps, I believe. And so it was part of a marketing campaign by the national distillers to promote the Kuiper peach schnapps. So I thought that was pretty interesting. So it's 1.5 ounces of peach schnapps and orange juice. Now I free pour. I suggest using a jigger until you're comfortable free pouring. But I'm pretty comfortable pouring. Add a couple straws. Now you can make a hairy navel by just adding vodka. So you use 1.5 ounces of vodka, 1 ounce of peach schnapps, and orange juice, and there you have a hairy navel. But this is a fuzzy navel. Again, I'm Eddie the bartender with liquorexam.com and bartendertees.com. If you're interested in apparel like this, head over to bartendertees.com where you'll find a full line of t-shirts, hats, sweatshirts, tank tops, and hoodies. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.